Account Health Assurance offers additional protection if you receive an account-level policy violation in your Amazon selling account. Our team will work with you to resolve the issue instead of immediately deactivating your account, as long as you work with us within 72 hours of us contacting you to resolve the violation. To qualify for this program, you need to have a professional selling account in good standing. Provide a verified emergency contact number so our team can reach you when needed. And maintain an account health rating, AHR, score of 250 or higher for 6 consecutive months. To check your eligibility status in Seller Central, open the main menu, hover over Performance, then select Account Health. From the Account Health dashboard, navigate to the Eligibilities tab, which will show whether you meet all of the requirements. When you become eligible, Amazon automatically enrolls you, sends an email notification, and displays the Account Health Assurance badge on your Account Health page. If your AHR drops below 250 after enrollment but you have no policy violations, you will remain enrolled for an additional 180 days. When account level issues put your account health rating in red unhealthy status, we will work with you to resolve the issues. When action is required, you will receive an email notification and see a red banner on your account health page. You must take one of these actions within 72 hours to maintain your account's active status. Answer a call from Amazon and work with an account health specialist who will guide you through submitting a written appeal. Or select Call Me Now from the Account Health dashboard to speak with an account health specialist. Appeals must be thorough and complete. If you do not respond to Amazon's multiple outreach attempts, or follow the recommended steps after 2 follow-up attempts, you may lose access to Account Health Assurance. Some serious violations may still result in immediate suspension. For more details about the conditions of the Account Health Assurance program, search for the Account Health Assurance Frequently Asked Questions help page in Seller Central. To review, Account Health Assurance protects professional sellers from immediate account deactivation when policy violations occur. To qualify, sellers need a verified emergency contact number and must maintain an account health rating of 250 or higher for 6 consecutive months. Once enrolled, sellers have 72 hours to respond to Amazon's contact attempts and work with account health specialists to resolve violations. The program maintains enrollment for 180 days if AHR drops below 250 without violations. However, serious violations may still result in immediate suspension, and failure to respond or follow recommended steps can result in program removal. Eligibility status can be checked under the Eligibilities tab in the Account Health dashboard.